SparkanautsTV.
Hello? Hello, anybody there? Hello? Oh, hi there, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to another episode of SparkanautsTV. And I just got a call from letter C. That's right, that's the letter we'll be learning today. Everybody say C. Good job! Now, to begin letter C, we're going to sing my letter C song together. Are you ready? Sing it with me. Music, please.
To make a letter C, 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 it's half a circle. C, 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 it looks like ears on wing, 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 but it's C, C, C. To make a letter C, 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 it's half a circle. C, 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 it looks like ears on wing, 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 but it's C, C, C.
That's right. Letter C is actually half a circle. Let me show you. You see, we don't complete the whole circle, but it's only half a circle. Now, letter C is a special letter. Big C is half a circle. Small c is also half a circle, but it's a teeny bit smaller. Just like that, alright? Now, before we start writing, I would like to show you my nouns beginning with the letter C. Remember, nouns are what we can see and touch. Here we go. Crown. Crown. Ooh, I'm gonna wear the crown on my head. Does it look nice? Yeah, that's a crown. Corn. Corn. Cap. Cap. Camera. Camera. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Get ready to say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Chick-chack. I got it. That's a camera. Crocodile. Crocodile. Oh, ah! That's a crocodile. Right, everybody say bye, crocodile. And now I'm going to show you my verbs beginning with the letter C. Our action words. Here we go. Cuddle the cushion. Cuddle the cushion. I love to cuddle with my cushion. I can hug it really tight. That's what you call cuddling, alright? And we have catch the cockroach. Catch the cockroach. Oh, I caught something. Would you like to see what I caught? I caught a cockroach. Catch the cockroach. Carry the cartons. Carry the cartons. Clean the car. Clean the car. Comb the cat. Comb the cat. That's my little cat there. Meow. Comb the cat. And those are my verbs beginning with the letter C. Now, today, I've got an animal that sniffs sideways. Hello, everybody. I'm the crab. Alright, now we're going to help Mr. Crab write letter C in the air first. Magic fingers up. Now let's make half a circle. Now I don't want to see people doing this. That's not half a circle. What we got to do is start from the top, all the way down to the bottom, and stop. Shall we try it again? Ready? Start from the top, all the way down, and stop. Very good. Now that was a big C. Let's try to write it a little bit smaller, shall we? Okay, now we do a tiny C from the top, all the way down and stop. One more time from the top, all the way down and stop. That's right. That's the letter C, okay? Now it's time for you to grab onto your markers. We are going to practice our letter C's together, okay? Starting from big C, start from the top. Half a circle, and don't forget to stop. One more time, start from the top. Half a circle, and don't forget to stop. You got it. And now, a little bit smaller. Let's write small c together, shall we? Start from the top again. Just a little bit smaller, and stop. Very good. One more time. From the top. A little bit smaller, and we stop. Well done. And that is the letter C. Alright, and oh no, letter C is calling me again. I think I need to go. See you on the next episode.